YouTube channel Physics Theories and Numericals, where we are providing you high quality videos for easy and joyful understanding of physics theories and concepts for life. Once you understand the theories, handling of MCQs and numericals will be easy. Also welcome to the MCQ Simplified series videos for Physics Class 12. We have designed this MCQ Simplified series videos with lot of care. Here we are providing you high quality MCQs. We will be starting from very fundamental level and we are moving on to difficult level of MCQs. With each and every MCQs we will provide you explanations so that you can refresh your concept, strengthen them. Our objective is to get to the root idea so that using that you can solve many such MCQs. This is just not a video. This is a mock test also. With each and every MCQ we are providing you reasonable time so that you can put in your thought, you can get your option before we take you to the answer. This will be around 20 minutes video where we are providing you 12 high quality MCQs. So if you calculate, you will find you will get a very high learning volume to the time spent ratio. So we will suggest you to go through the video till the end and enjoy the high quality MCQs. We have already uploaded a good number of videos for class 12. We will give you the links in the description box. This video is for dipole under electrostatics chapter. The first MCQ. There are two columns given. First column gives the units. They look similar. And second column gives the quantity for which these units will be used. You need to match the two columns. 10 seconds time for you to reach to your option. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. See, first cm, that is centimeter, that is unit for length, that is 1 to 10. Second cm is coulomb meter, that is dipole moment, that is 2 is for 11. 3 is c/m, that is coulomb per meter, that is linear charge distribution. Second one is coulomb per meter square, that is surface charge distribution. So your option is option D. Next MCQ. An electric dipole of strength 10 microcoulomb meter is kept inside a hollow sphere of radius 10 centimeter. What will be the flux coming out from that sphere? 4 options. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A, 0. Because the net charge for a dipole is 0. If the net charge is 0, so if you cover it with a sphere or cube or whatever, no flux will be coming out because the net charge is 0. Next MCQ. The direction of an electric dipole vector is from positive pole to negative pole, or negative pole to positive pole, or it is perpendicular to the line joining positive and negative pole, or electric dipole is not a vector. 10 seconds for you to choose. Your time starts now. You should not require 10 seconds here. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B. That is, for an electric dipole, the dipole vector is from negative pole to the positive pole. Next MCQ. The torque experienced by an electric dipole in an electric field is given by the dipole moment of the dipole is P and the electric field is E. These two are vector. So what will be the torque vector? 4 options for you to choose. 10 seconds time. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A. Next MCQ. An electric dipole experiences a torque 9 into 10 to the power minus 26 Newton meter at a position of 30 degree with a uniform electric field of 10 to the power 4 Newton per Coulomb. Now, what is the dipole moment of that electric dipole? 15 seconds time for you. 4 options. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A. It's easy formula. As I was telling, you need to remember the formula, put the values, get to your answer. Is tau is equal to Pe sine theta. You have got all the values. You need to find out P. P is tau by E sine theta. Put the values, get the option. Here it is option A. I'm sure you are liking this video. You must be finding it easy. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video, and also press the bell icon. Let's continue. Next MCQ. An electric dipole experiences a torque of 3 into 10 to the power minus 25 Newton meter at a position of 30 degree with a uniform electric field. Now, what will be the maximum torque that will be experienced by this dipole in this electric field? At 30 degree, it is 3 into 10 to the power minus 25 Newton meter. What will be the maximum torque? 4 options. 10 seconds time for you. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B. Again, easy formula. Torque tau is equal to Pe sine theta. Here theta is 30 degree. So tau is equal to Pe by 2. That is 3 into 10 to the power minus 25. What has been given? So tau max is Pe. Sine 90 degree, that is Pe. So that will be twice of this torque. So it will be 6 into 10 to the power minus 25 Newton meter. That is your option B. Next MCQ. The red arrows show the electric field for the electric dipole. There are 4 options. You need to choose the option where the electric field directions have been shown correctly. From the 4 options, you need to choose for which case the direction of the electric field has been shown correctly. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Hope you got your option. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C. Next MCQ. Similar one. Now for the dipole that has been shown and that empty circle, you need to choose what will be the direction of the electric field in that empty area, empty encircled area. Which one will be the possible direction of electric field? 4 options for you. 10 seconds time. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B. Next MCQ. A charge Q experiences a force of F at a distance r from the axis of a dipole. How much force a charge of 2q will experience at a distance r by 2 on the same line? 4 options. 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. Again, easy calculation. So electric field will be, for this case, at a distance r from the axis of the dipole. On the axis of the dipole, E is 2kp by r cube. K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, as we have been using 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. In place of that, we are using k to save time, space, and for ease of understanding. So anyway, E is 2kp by r cube, and F is equal to E into Q. Now x dash, rather r dash, is twice r. So E dash will be 80. Then Q dash is 2Q. So F will be 16F. Go step by step. Electric field is becoming 8 times and the charge has become double. So total new force will be 16 times the earlier force. Hope you are liking the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video, and also press the bell icon. Let's continue. 3 charges, Q, Q, that is plus Q, and minus 2Q, has been put on the tips of an equilateral triangle of side A. What will be the dipole moment of this system? 4 options, 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. If you require more time, do take time, pause the video, get your option and come back to the video. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A, that is root 3 QA. Let's understand. See, the system, the way it has been given, you can assume it to be combination of 2 dipole and they are at 60 degree with each other. So you work out the resultant of the 2, it becomes root 3 into QA. So option is option A. Next MCQ. An electric dipole of dipole moment 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb meter is placed in an electric field. Electric field has been given. So what is the work done to reverse the dipole? 4 options given. 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. Let's understand. Simple formula. Work done is equal to P into E cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Now to reverse the dipole, theta 1 will become from 0 degree to 180 degree. Put the values, get your answer, easy. So it's option D. Next MCQ, in fact last MCQ for this video. The maximum possible torque for an electric dipole in an electric field is x Newton meter. Now the maximum work done that can be done against torque for this dipole in this electric field is 4x joule, 2x joule, x joule, or x by 2 joule. 4 options. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B, that is 2x joule. Again, easy. What has been given? Tau max, that is maximum torque, that is PE sin 90 degree, that is PE. So PE is x Newton meter. W max will be PE cos 0 degree minus cos 180 degree, that is 2 PE. So it will be 2x joule. Easy. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. We will come up with many such videos. Bye bye till then.